Hey guys, today we're going to learn how to get 60% off on HelloFresh. And all we have to do is to head on over to our web browser and search for HelloFresh deals. And from here, I'm going to scroll down and I'm going to tap on this Groupon, which has 60% off. From there, all I have to do is to tap on the type of offer that I would like to use. Either it will be the super offer, the free gift, meaning that in the type of item that you are trying to purchase, there will be some gift that you will be given, or the monthly deals. Then after you've chosen the type of deal that best suits you, it's going to direct you to its official page in the case that you have signed in to your account in that page. If you don't get the code offer, the code that has your offer will be applied to your purchase. And also, we can just go back and we can check out the other websites, since they do also give us codes and promotions like this one already, and this one even tells us that we'll be able to save up to $140 on the tasty and easy dinners. And thank you guys for watching this video. Please do like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next video.